Hi friends, let us see differentiation and its example. Yesterday I had given you this example. Y is equal to log e raised to 3x, 3x minus 4 raised to 2 upon 3 upon cube root of 2x plus 5. Again we can write, we have y is equal to log of e raised to 3x into 3x minus 4 raised to 2 upon 3 upon cube root of 2x plus 5. This can be written as log in bracket e raised to 3x into 3x minus 4 raised to 2 upon 3 upon 2x plus 5. Cube root means 1 upon 3. Bracket raised to 1 upon 3. Now two terms are divisible, therefore by using log we can distribute log to each term. Log e raised to 3x into 3x minus 4 raised to 2 upon 3 minus log of 2x plus 5 bracket raised to 1 upon 3. Here two terms are multiplied to each other, so by giving log of e raised to 3x, in multiplication we can give sign plus log of 3x minus 4 raised to 2 upon 3 minus log of 2x plus 5 raised to 1 upon 3. Here log of e raised to 3x, base is e is there, plus 2 upon 3. We can write log of 3x minus 4 raised to 2 upon 3 in this way. 2 upon 3 log of 3x minus 4 minus this term also we can write in this way, 1 upon 3 log of 2x plus 5. Power will come before the log by rule of log. Now here log e to the base e, it means that its answer is 1 into 3x plus 2 upon 3 log of 3x minus 4 minus 1 upon 3 log of 2x plus 5. Since log e to the base is equal to 1. Now here we got y is equal to 1 into 3x, that is 3x plus 2 upon 3 log of 3x minus 4 minus 1 upon 3 log of 2x plus 5. Y is function given in the x variable, therefore differentiate y with respect to x, and therefore dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 3x plus d by dx of 2 upon 3 log of 3x minus 4 minus d by dx of 1 upon 3 log of 2x plus 5. Constant term we can write before this term, 3 d by dx of x plus 2 upon 3 d by dx of log of 3x minus 4 minus 1 upon 3 d by dx of log of 2x plus 5. But d by dx of x its self derivative, its answer is 1. 3 into 1 plus 2 upon 3. We know that the derivative of log of x, d by dx of log of x is equal to 1 upon x, and again the derivative of x, that is 1, that is we got 1 upon x. So similarly here also d by dx of log of 3 of x, therefore its derivative 1 upon 3x minus 4, and again we can take the derivative of this term d by dx of 3x minus 4 minus 1 upon 3, derivative of log, that is 1 upon this term 2x plus 5, again derivative of 2x plus 5. Three into 1, that is 3, plus 2 upon 3 into 1 upon 3x minus 4, and its derivative d by dx of 3x minus d by dx of 4, bracket complete. We distribute this derivative to each term of this bracket, minus 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 2x plus 5. Again we can distribute this derivative of each term of this bracket, d by dx of 2x plus d by dx of 5. Now we got dy by dx is equal to 3 plus 2 upon 3 into 1 upon 3x minus 4. We have to take the derivative of 3x minus d by dx of 4 minus 1 upon 3, 1 upon 2x plus 5. We have to take the derivative of 2x plus derivative of 5 with respect to x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 3 plus 2 upon 3 into 1 upon 3x minus 4, derivative of 3x, that is 3 d by dx of x, and derivative of 4 is constant term, therefore its derivative is 0, minus 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 2x plus 5, derivative of 2x, 2 is constant, d by dx of x, and 5 is constant, therefore its derivative is 0. See here d by dx of 3x, that is we wrote here 3d by dx of x. 4 is constant, therefore its derivative is 0, minus 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 2x plus 5, 2 is constant, therefore we took before the d by dx of x, and 5 is constant term, therefore its derivative is 0. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 3 plus 2 upon 3 into this bracket 3x minus 4 into 3 dx of dx, that is 1, minus 1 upon 3 into this term bracket 2x plus 5, to derivative of itself dx upon dx, that is 1, therefore dy by dx is equal to 3 plus 2 into 3 into 1, that is 3, 2 into 3 upon 3 to 3x minus 4 minus 1 into 2 into 1, that is 1 into 2 upon 3 2x plus 5, that is 3 plus 3 upon 3 get cancelled, 2 upon 3x minus 4 minus 1 into 2 2 upon 3 2x plus 5, and this is the derivative of the given function y is equal to log of e raised to 3x into 3x minus 4 raised to 2 upon 3 upon in cube root 2x plus 5. I repeat the answer. dy by dx is equal to 3 plus 2 upon 3x minus 4 minus 2 upon 3 in bracket 2x plus 5. Let us see next example. Y is equal to 4 raised to log of sin x to the base 2 plus 9 raised to log of cos x to the base 3. I repeat the example. Y is equal to 4 raised to log of sin x to the base 2 plus 9 raised to log of cos x to the base 3. So we can write y is equal to 4 square of 2, therefore 2 square raised to log of 2 log of sin x to the base 2 plus 3 square 9 is there, or 9 is square of 3, therefore 3 square into log of cos x to the base 3. So this term we can write in this way: 2 log of 2 sin x bracket square. This power will come here, therefore log of sin x square to the base 2 plus 3 log of cos x bracket square to the base 3. Power will go, or this 2 we can write the square of this cos x, but we know that a log of a f of x is equal to f of x, or we can write a log of a is equal to 1. Therefore here 2 log of 2, that is 1, by using this rule or by using this formula, 1 into sin square x. Sin x square means sin square x plus 3 log of 3. By using this formula, 3 log of 3, that is 1 into cos square x. Cos x square means cos square x. So 1 into sin square x, that is sin square x, plus 1 into cos square x, that is cos square x. And we know that the identity sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. And therefore sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. And therefore we got y is equal to 1. Now differentiate y with respect to x, and therefore dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 1 is equal to 1 is constant term, therefore its derivative is 0, and therefore dy by dx is equal to 0. So dy by dx is equal to 0. This is the answer of this given example. Y is equal to 4 raised to log of sin x to the base 2 plus 9 raised to log of cos of x to the base 3. Now let us see next and different examples in the next video. And don't forget to write down this example in your notebook. Take care. Bye.